The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's go and see what the charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about gold. Now, as usual, what I will be doing is providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis first. I will be covering the technical aspect of this market. We will then go and see what we have from an order flow perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically the COT data. So what the non-commercials and the biggest speculators in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using a combination of these two different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. And as usual, I will be keeping this as educational as possible. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just created a strong impulse to the upside, followed by this complex correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, what you have to do is take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how the market here has just retraced exactly to the 0.618 golden ratio of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse and already rejected it to the upside twice. So here in the monthly, everything seems quite bullish and we can expect more continuation to the upside. So the monthly is quite bullish. We go down on the weekly, and on what do we see? Now here in the weekly time frame, we can see how at the moment we are testing a quite strong weekly historical structure level. In fact, this zone was acting as resistance here. The market broke it to the upside. At that point, this previous resistance was turned support here, against support here, against support here. And at the moment, the market is testing this area once again as support, and we can expect the market to reject this zone to the upside. So also, the weekly seems quite bullish. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. We drop down on the daily time frame, and what do we see? Now here in the daily, we can see how the market first created this W formation here. After the creation of a W, you want to see the market go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance turn support before then printing the continuation to the upside. And we can see that that is exactly what the market did. The market went and retested this previous daily resistance turn support here and is currently rejecting it to the upside. So we can expect the market here to provide more continuation to the upside and possibly even printing a higher high. So how we will be approaching this potential setup here with students. Now, before I show you that, let's first go and see what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. Now, what we can see here is that with the last report, net positions have increased. We went from having 168k net positions up to having 182k net positions, with 12k shorts getting closed with the last report and 2.1k longs getting opened. So gold is getting quite bullish also from an institutional perspective. So how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students? Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective, combined with the COT data. But when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the intraday time frames, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, with students inside of here, we will be monitoring price actions from an intraday perspective, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market, and only if the market will shift from an intraday bullish to an intraday, from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, only at that point we will be adding gold to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, at that point we will be looking for a potential long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for the market to create the move to the upside and complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside, and possibly even the creation of a higher high. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.